Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix wireless display installed failed error on your Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one is you just have to make sure that if you are connected to Wi-Fi or internet, you have to make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or internet, which means you are having a proper connection, or else you will be having the trouble. After making sure that you're having a proper connection, you just have to go to the next one. From here you just have to right click and you have to navigate to settings. From here you have to select apps. Now from here you have to select optional features, and from here you have to go for view features, and here you have to search for wireless display. You have to search for wireless display and you have to install it from here. So this is the first step. So sometimes it might work. In most cases, if it won't work, because this is the first step and simplest one. So if you're not able to get it up, you just have to follow the next instruction. So next instruction is you just have to close this and you have to follow the next one. Next one is you just have to go to the settings once again. So I'll go over here in the settings, right click and navigate to settings. From here you just have to click on network and internet. Now from here, what you have to do is you just have to select whatever the connections that you are connected. For example, if it is Wi-Fi, you have to select this one, and from here in the Wi-Fi you just have to check for any options you will be getting over here. In some cases you will be getting an option called metered connection option. If you are able to get any connections like metered connection over here, so as you can see, so I'll show it. You just have to click on Wi-Fi office properties. You have to select this one. Now from here, if you scroll down under configure firewall and security settings, you will be able to see metered connection, right? So here, as you can see, this has been turned off. In some cases will be turned on, so you just have to turn this off. After turning this off, you just have to close this and you have to try to reinstall the wireless display once again. And even after it's not working, you don't have to panic. We have next one is all about, you just have to follow the instructions, and before that you just have to open this and you have to copy the command. So this particular command will be given in the description, so you don't have to worry. So what you have to go over here in the search and you have to search for CMD and go for run as administrator, and from here you just have to paste the particular command and you have to press enter. Okay, so after pressing the enter, and what you have to do is, you just have to wait for it. So once it is done successfully, it is done. As you can see, 100% successfully done. You just have to close this and you have to restart your PC, and most probably the error regarding how to fix wireless display installed failed error on your Windows 11 will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.